here are the 5 best window cleaning cloths. So, let's get started. Number 1. Most popular, E-Cloth Window Cleaning Kit. There are 2 items in this set, the window scrubbing cloth and the polishing cloth. You can use one to clean surfaces like windows or frames, and the other one works efficiently to keep the glass dry, without streaks or marks across their surface. The material used to produce these clothes is microfiber. Combine it with a slight amount of water, and these tools will remove bacteria, pollen, and other contaminants. The high-quality fiber ensures every bit of dust is locked away up until you wash the clothes. Number 2. Microfiber Glass Cleaning Clothes. There are 6 clothes in blue and a pair of green. The way you want to use them is going with the green cloth, slightly dampen, and then continuing the process using the blue cloth while it is completely dry. By doing it this way, you guarantee that the surface will look spotless after you finish. These clothes are a secure alternative to harmful sprays and strong chemicals that would hurt your hand and the windows too. While the clothes are lint-free, you have to be careful when you're washing them, as they will pick up lint left behind by other pieces. Number 3. ARI Group Microfiber Magic Streak. The set offers 3 pieces, which are totally white and measure 16 inch. When you're using them, the clothes soak the moisture up efficiently, leaving a dry surface afterward. There may be streaks left behind, but it won't take long before they disappear. A clear example where the clothes require extra effort would be cleaning over stainless steel. Over the said surface, it is more likely that streaks will be more noticeable. Since the clothes are versatile, you can use them to clean mirrors, windows, and countertops among many other household areas. Number 4. The Rag Company Premium Window. The clothes measure 16 into 16 inches, and while the size is nothing new as most other cleaning clothes have the same measurement, the construction process of these products makes them reliable supplies. They have a 350 GSM structure, featuring the 70x30 blend for optimum performance. Now, among the most interesting features these clothes provide, we have a dual texture design. On one side, you get dirt gripping fabric capable of removing almost anything, while the other side has a sleeky texture to leave a perfect finish. Number 5. Persec Pure Sky Microfiber Glove Dusting Mitt. The reason why you want this cleaning cloth is the dual layered structure, which proves its efficiency no matter where you clean. It optimizes the maintenance tasks by performing through cleaning and polishing. With only a little scrubbing, the surfaces look perfect. To produce this cloth, the manufacturer follows a thoughtful process using ultra microfiber. There are over 1,000 strands per yarn, which allows the materials to remove dirt and dust off many surfaces with water, as the unique external requirement.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.